Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen display on the Google Pixel 5 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is to remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Be gentle in this process. The flex connector cable is on the left hand side of the screen. Always use the edge of the plastic upright tool to avoid internal damages. Next, lift the screen gradually from the right hand side to the left hand side, and then keep it like an open book. Next, take out the connector bracket using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the board. Now you can free the screen from the body. Next, clean the frame edges. Next, take out the Earpiece module from the broken screen. Apply some heat and gently pull out the unit. Next, place the Earpiece module on the new screen with adhesive. Next, connect the screen for testing. Once the testing has passed, take out the screen. Next, before securing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. For this, you can use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Here, we are using B7000 glue. Next, Secure the LCD connector and then the connector bracket. Next, gently slide in the screen from the left to the right hand side. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.